Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, January 28th, 2014, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I posted on StockTwits early this morning, right after the open, that I felt the markets were a little bit wobbly, and I think that was a good characterization of them. A lot of trades we took just couldn't seem to hold their profits, including Rambus from yesterday. We only had two trades coming in, Rambus and Ambarella, and Rambus, after being very nicely profitable on the close yesterday, fell apart. Yeah, I took a loss on that. Amba got a little bit better, but bottom line is that we ended up closing out about negative $1,800 in closeout trades today. We did a lot of buying today, and it was frustrating because only one trade really took off, and the rest was a little bit shaking. We had some nasty losses. Bottom line is we are holding positive $495, so we won't complain about a positive number on that, but the problem was the markets just couldn't seem to hold their profits today. Dow did pretty well. Dow made 90 points today, and I do think this market is trying to come out of its shell shock from a couple of days ago. Anyway, let's take a look at the charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, of course, and the thing really has had a big slide here. And yesterday, I would like to think that maybe this is the low. Today it was kind of like it was trying to flatten out. Actually, it did gain 90 points, so that's not exactly flat, but it looks flat compared to this huge sell-off that we've had. I am calling the markets positive for tomorrow. I don't see this thing has any energy left to go down, and so I think it's probably going to come back up some, at least for tomorrow. We'll just have to see. I shouldn't predict markets, but I do anyway. This is one of the good trades we had today. This is in DL, which is China Distance Education Holdings, something like that. And this is a very volatile market, and it popped up quite a bit. We bought it way up here, but it's still climbed up and went significantly in our favor. We're holding around $1,500 positive on that, and we just hope we get a little follow through. If this market takes off, we can really make a lot of money on it. It is a very volatile market, and then of course that's why it's in the portfolio. I'll show you one other good trade we had today. This was really the star of today. If we had a star today, this was it. This is in VIPS, VIPS. It's been a pretty good market for us. It's new, but it's been good. And we bought this right out of the gate today, and it kept going. It did flatten out a little here, but we are holding close to $3,000 in VIPS. So I have high hopes for this trade. The rest of this stuff I would just describe it as kind of a lot of funky trades. A few positive, but the majority were negative. And of course that pulled down our open trade equity. But as I say, we're still positive, but positive $495. Hey, let's hope for the best. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.